everyone. So today I'm gonna tell you how to speak and write notations in chess. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to know what are rows and columns, which are also called in chess as file as ranks and files, respectively. Now, first of all, a file is a straight line of squares which is resembled by a letter, and a rank is a horizontal line of squares which is resembled by numbers from 1 to 8 for ranks and E to H for the files. Now I will teach you how to find which what is the name for each square. So for example, let's take this square. This square, first of all, for this square we need to find on which file this is on. It is on the G file, and now it on which rank it is on. It is on the fourth rank. So this is the G4 square. And similarly, what is this square? This square is the d5 square. To find that, first of all we need to find on which file it is, the d file, and on which rank it is. It is on the fifth rank, so it is the d5 square. Now I'm going to give you a few questions on what is the name of the square, and then I will teach you the other thing. Now, which square is this one? You can pause the video here or just think it right away right now. So now it is the F4 square, as it is located in the F file and the fourth rank. Now again, on what is this square now? This square is actually the C5 square. The C it is the C5 square because it is on the C file and the fifth rank. So now I'm gonna tell you what are the names of the pieces of chess. For the rook we have capital R, for the knight we have capital N, for the bishop we have capital B, for the king we have capital K, and for the queen we have a capital Q. Now, but for the pawn there is no name. It, if we make a pawn move, it would be just the square that it lands on. For example, let me show you a game and give you examples, and you also have to try to find the squares. Now this is played first of all, and what is this square? If you guessed e4, you are correct. Now the pawn moved, so there is no name for the pawn, so it would be the move e4 only. Now he played e5. The pawn is on the e5 square, and there is no symbol for pawn, so it would be just e5. Now this is played a knight move. So for a knight move, it would be capital N and the square that it lands on. For in this case it is f3, so it would be capital N f3. Then this is played. It is also a knight move, so it would be followed by capital N. Then it would be followed by by the square it lands on. It landed on c6, so it would be capital N c6. And the same goes for every other piece. So now comes in the bishop. The bishop landed on which square? If you get c4, it is correct. For the bishop, we use the symbol capital B, so it would be capital B c4. Now, this is played. That's also bishop move. Which square did it land on? c5. Correct. Now, it is also bishop, and the name for the bishop in notations is capital B. So it would be capital B c5. Now my queen is moved. The queen is the queen is moved at which square? E2, correct? And the symbol for queen is Q, so it would be QE2. Now this is played. This on which square is the king on? Okay, it is on the E7 square. And what is the symbol for the king? A capital K. So it would be KE7. So guys, I hope you understood how to write notations, and in the future in other games you might be able to also be able to narrow down write down notations and also revise them later on. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you will get notified when I release my next video. Thank you.